Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Tyler Fikes, and today we are going to be working on the big white Duramax. I got a bunch of new parts over this last month that I've been waiting on. We're still waiting on one thing, but it is time to start doing stuff to the truck, continue with the progress we made in the last video, and get the truck ready to go, bring it back to life. So as you can tell by the title of the video, today we are going to be installing the color matched taillights on the back side of the truck. So we're going to go back there in a second. And it's a super simple process. Basically, all you need is a screwdriver and a little bit of common sense. So I am going to show you guys step by step how to do it. Again, it's super easy. And most importantly, we're going to freshen up the back end of this truck, and it is just the start of what we are doing. So we're going to work from the back forward. Next video, hopefully, is going to be getting the tow mirrors color matched, and then after that, I am still waiting on the headlights. They are going to be shipped out soon though, and you're going to have color matched headlights as well. So everything getting color matched on the truck. The final color matching of the truck will be the suspension. It will be the lift kit. It's going to get a bit of a freshen up, a couple new parts. It's going to look really good. However, that one's going to be a little bit more down the road. So first thing first, let's take a nice look at the back of the truck. See the before that we got going on. The taillights look good, but it's just kind of outdated. The black was cool, but I think the color matched is going to look a lot better, especially with the color matched bumper and the color matched lip on the tailgate that we got going, and the handle. It's just going to flow a whole lot more. So first step is drop the tailgate, and we are going to unbox these lights. I've already looked at them just to make sure they looked good and everything looked right, but for the first time I'm going to show you guys the color matched tail lights as well. Now these things look freaking awesome. If you could tell, they are the same tail lights that we already have, just of course color matched. Check out Mid-South LED. I'm going to leave his email as well as Instagram down in the description. And as you can see, it is on screen now. So hit him up and let him know I sent you. If you need a pair of something like this, and he does it all, not just these ones, he has stuff for like every vehicle. So seriously, go check out his Instagram, check out his website. All will be linked down below, and see what he is working with. So now for the how-to, I'm going to show you a detailed how to replace one of the tail lights. It is going to be exactly the same on the left as it is on the right. So I'll just show the one side, and then we're going to go up there and I will show you how to replace the third brake light as well. So literally a screwdriver is all you're going to need. You're going to hop in here. There are two screws, one at the top. Take it out, set it to the side. You will be reusing it. And one towards the bottom. Again, take it out. Now the light kind of wants to fall, so you just got to hold it in. Pull the last screw out. Again, set it to the side. You will be reusing it. Now the old lights, just pull straight out. You're going to have a couple things that you have to disconnect. These are all just turn and pull. And now if you have the stock tail lights, you're going to have a bulb like this in all of these. However, I already have aftermarket ones, so I don't have a bulb. I just have the connectors. Either way, you're going to take out what you're not using. If you have new LED lights like we have, you're just going to take the bulb out, and you're going to plug these connectors directly into it. I am reusing the same reverse bulb. Everything else is smaller LED indicators. So now I'm going to unplug these one at a time. I'm going to set these to the side because they are still in really good condition. I'm going to try to sell them locally on Craigslist or something. Now we are going to take the new tail light, remove the protective tape one at a time, and start putting bulbs back in place. So they just fit in, twist, and lock in. And there's only one right spot for all of these, so make sure you put them all back in the same spot. Now that I have the tape off, I am just going to plug in to each one. And again, feed the wires inside, push it in, twist it. To lock in place. Once those are all plugged in, you just align, push it in. There are some guide holes on the back that have to line up. Then you're going to take your two screws, get them started, and send them down. Now these don't have to be torqued tight, but get them snug enough. And there you have it. One is done. And that looks Awesome. We'll take a better look after the other ones are done. So now we're gonna go up there and I'm gonna show you how to install the third brake light. So basically it's the same exact process up here. All you're gonna need is a screwdriver. There's one screw on the left that you're going to need to hold on to, and one screw on the right. That you will also need to hold on to. Now this comes out. It has one little clip. Comes apart super easily. Now we can check the new one, which does come with a new gasket, which is awesome because my last one was smoked. So on mine, I had to take the back sticky off of the gasket and adhere it to the light. Some of them may not come like that. If yours is already done, you can skip that step. Next, you plug it in the same orientation, tuck everything inside. Take your two screws, reinstall them, and just like that, it is done. And we have a paint matched third brake light. And now I'm gonna get in the truck, fire it up, and show you the functionality of these taillights and just make sure everything works. Now, needless to say, but these things look awesome and they function exactly how they should. So I am very happy with that. I think the back of the truck looks so much better, fully paint matched. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I appreciate y'all for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, liked the truck, or found it helpful. Make sure to subscribe to see the rest of the truck get paint matched and just bring this truck back to life, get it all the way dialed in. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.